Next, where are your target audience hanging around? What are the dynamics of your target audience? Right? So what are the dynamics of your target audience means, where are you looking for target audience? First of all, are you searching for them, or are you sitting simply in the comfort of your home or in your office and expecting your target audience to come to you? If lion is hungry, will he go out to hunt to fulfill its hunger, or it will sit at its one place and think that people should come to me? So if a lion is hungry in a jungle, which is thousands of miles spread apart, where do you think the lion is going to find its hunt? Okay. Where do you think the lion will find its hunt? Right? It will keep waiting. The customers are not going to come. That time is over. So much competition that you have to tell the world, I exist. Hello, these are my product services. I know what my stuff well, I exist. Okay. So you have to reach out to your target audience, but where will you find them? Where will you find them? What are the dynamics of your target audience? The question is, if a lion is hungry in the jungle, do you think it will keep finding its prey throughout the jungle, thousands of kilometers spread apart? Or where do you think the lion will go? Near water bodies, because his target audience, its target's audience are coming there now. Everybody is thirsty. They will come to have water, right? Drink water. So where does a lion find its target audience? Near water bodies. So where are your target audience hanging around? Are they on Facebook? Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on Instagram? Where are they? Are they in clubs? Are they in pub? Are they in school? Are they in high-end schools, top 3 schools of India? Are they in mediocre school? Are they in government school? Okay. Are your target audience in sports club? Do they play golf? Where is your target audience? You have to be there. What are the dynamics of your target audience? Understand that. Now, these are all the problems why you're not able to generate leads. Because you are not going to the water body, you are going in other direction or in the jungle. Make sense?